Hola!
Buenos dias. Welcome to paradise.
Go ahead.
Please. Welcome to our wonderful abode. Please, come out to our patio.
Wow.
This is our view every morning. This is our swimming pool with a hammock. And over around the corner, you'll see the bathtub.
Okay, go back in.
There's a lot of
Art.
art from local artisans. This is all a tapestry. This is all thread. This above us we had a story about that.
That's a nest lamp. Artisans use that when they're transitioning from something to something else. I don't know.
This piece I love over here. I love it.
And then we have
This is all beads,
beautiful.
which is gorgeous. And this is our Zen area with our jellyfish.
Where did the jellyfish go? Oh, there they are. There's one.
Over on this side, we have some nice big comfortable bed. Over here is a little sitting area. A tree where we hang all our wet clothes, which this is a very wet vacation.
It's very wet.
Very wet. This is the shower, which is phenomenal.
It's
2 rain showers, plenty big for 2, which we haven't had in eons. And everything is push button. See, watch, stay there. Just got the rain shower. And push of a button, it's off. And as you come through here, this is what I've labeled the hair station. But everything has lights.
and the ceilings are all 20 feet tall or 30 feet tall.
This is the toilet room,
This is a home away from home.
which has nice lighting. Because, you know, that's what you want.
Because when you're pooping, you have to turn around and you have an ocean view.
When you go to the bathroom.
How bad is that?
Not bad.
That sucks.
It does suck. Over here, we have the bathroom area, sinks, which are really cool because they're 2 different kinds of sinks.
You have the boy sink
This is my
and the
sink.
girl sink.
And then at night, when they come in and do our room, they close this.
Wow.
And behind us, these are our closets, drawers, everything. This little box is where we have.
Oh, this is the magic box, or the
Magic box.
Magic box or secret box?
Whatever, but this is where we've been having room service. And so when we're done, we put all of our dishes in here and they magically disappear. It's awesome. And that
What's
is a tour of our room, which is phenomenal.